Welcome to the Yoga Pose Challenge! Are you ready to bend like spaghetti, balance like a banana, and wobble like jelly? Hooray! We've got 3 levels to try. First, the ready, steady level. Then the, ooh, that's a bit tricky level. And finally, the super bonkers amazingly difficult level. I wonder if you can do them all. Time for the ready, steady level.
Star pose. Taking our feet nice and wide and our arms wide, we sparkle brightly like a big beautiful star, twinkling our fingers a little bit too to give us some extra sparkles. Now star pose is a brilliant pose to do because it makes you feel big and it's a big stretch for your whole back and body. It's wonderful. Crescent moon pose. Bringing our feet together, our arms up above our head, our hands to touch. Let's lean over one way, making ourselves into the shape of a beautiful crescent moon. Or a banana. Door pose. Coming down onto 2 knees, we take our leg to the side. We reach our arm up to the sky and rest our other hand on our long leg. Now we lean over to the side to creak open the door. Here we go. Ooh, it's getting pretty chilly out there.
Wow, that was great! You made those poses look easy. Now let's try the, ooh, that's a bit tricky level.
Tree pose. Standing nice and tall, we bring one foot on top of the other using our heel. Our knee turns out to the side. We bring our hands together at our hearts and we grow our branches up nice and tall, stretching as high as we can. Wow, well done everyone. Eagle pose. Bringing our feet together, we bend our knees. Now see if you can lift up one of your feet, oh, try not to wobble, and cross your leg over the other, using your toes to balance on the floor next to your foot. Now take your arms nice and wide and scissor your arms. Wave with your underneath arm and twizzle your arms round each other, sitting down a little bit further, like you're a proud eagle sitting in your nest. Very good. Lizard pose. Coming down onto one knee, your hands either side of your foot. Now stretch your back leg all the way behind you, keeping your toes tucked for a bit of support. Now bring both your hands inside your foot and see if you can lower yourself down like you're a lizard skulking around.
Great job! You did super well with the tricky level. Are you ready to try the final super bonkers amazingly difficult level? I know you can do it.
Dancer pose. Raising up your arm and taking your other arm to the side like you're a waiter holding a tray. Now lifting up one of your legs and seeing if you can catch your foot in your hand. Start to kick your foot into your hand, standing strong in your standing leg, starting to tilt forward a little bit as you kick your leg. Now dancer pose is great for stretching the whole of the front of your body, opening your chest and your shoulders. It's also good for learning how to balance, especially if you're focusing on a little spot in front of you. It's also good for strengthening your legs and your ankles. Dragonfly pose. Coming down to lie on our tummies. We bring our hands underneath our shoulders and we lift up one of our feet. We point our toe to the sky and we use our other foot to scooch underneath our thigh, just above our knee to lift it even higher. Wow! Look, there's a dragonfly whizzing around. Oh, there she goes.
Awesome job! Let's come up to stand and try the next pose.
Crow pose. Coming down to crouch, up high on your tippy toes and your hands down, nice and flat, fingers spread wide. Now crow pose is awesome for building your strength, especially in your wrists and your core. It's also very good for learning how to trust yourself. Let's give it a go. Come high up on your tippy toes and snuggle your knees in towards your armpits. Tilt your weight forward a little bit and see if you can lift up one foot and lift up 2. Oh, try not to wobble and press your hands down. Yes! Oh, hello Vince. I'll be with you in a minute. Just concentrating on my crow pose. Yeah. There we go. Let's go and have a cup of tea now. Come on.
What a superstar you are! You've completed the yoga pose challenge!